Hey everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, and right behind me I have a 2026 Leisure Unity twin bed. And I'm going to show you around to some of the key features of this model, as there are many videos out there about it going into further details. But first, we're going to start with the fact that it is in their new color. This is the Woodland. It is a white with a gray-green accent, depending upon how the sun hits it and what you can see. On the twin bed, you get a pass-through, so anything sorts of fishing poles, golf clubs, tables, it can all fit in here. If you choose the option for the exterior table, it will be right in here mounted, along with if you choose the option for the exterior ladder, it'll be a little bit further down and mounted there for the second piece. But this is a lot of space. Check it out. Also in the twin bed, you're going to get these two jump seats with seat belts, so we can travel up to 4 in here. And then this area can turn into a single twin bed. It can turn into a lounger, an ottoman, rotate these seats right around, kick up your feet, watch the TV. Also here in our galley area in the 26, they have switched over to the induction cooktop. So we have a dual burner induction cooktop with, of course, our galley extension. If we need a little bit more space, we can put our table right in the mount area and then have some additional space for all of our food. So back here in the twin bed, we have a separate toilet and vanity on one side, shower on the other. What's really cool about this floor plan as well is the fact that this door will shut, so it can create 2 separate spaces, allowing you to expand back here, or if somebody wakes up earlier than the other, or goes to sleep earlier than the other, they are able to have that, privacy. We do have 2 twin beds, which are pretty big and spacious. And if you wanted to, you have a panel that will fold out here in the middle of your nightstand. You have 2 cushions that are going to be located underneath our storage here, or wherever you decide to put them. And that will make it out into a king bed. So I really love the versatility that it has of this unit. And of course we still have our TV back here if we wanted to catch up on our shows at night or the news, whichever. And closet space, this is just a very versatile floor plan, which a lot of leisures are very versatile in what they do. So I love it, and you're gonna love it too. So come check it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this very quick walk around of the Leisure Unity twin bed 2026 model. Do greatly appreciate it. Like and subscribe down below, and leave a comment of what you like most about leisure travel vans and just their products in general. I'd love to hear everything about it. See you down the line.